Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you find your releases on your BandLab app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on digital description here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So you just have to wait to open video, so it's going to take a time to open video here in this list. Then when it's going to open video, all you have to do to find it, so it's going to take you so in this list like this. So just have to wait in. Then here you will find the releases you have. I have no releases, but if you have it, you will find it in this list. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.